So, Heather, can you tell me about the parts to the world's simplest motor?
Yeah, it's so simple. All I need is a piece of wire, a battery, a nail, and a magnet. And so what I do is I stick my really strong neodymium magnet to my nail. And now that magnetizes my nail. I'm going to stick it on the bottom of my battery. Just kind of hangs right there. And then I connect my wire to the top of here. And then to make the motor go, I'm going to actually make the end of this wire like a little brush and fan it out. Bend it over and then touch the magnet. Oh, and there it goes.
That's super cool. So, how does this work?
So it's really neat. When I connect this, it's actually connecting the electrical circuit. So I have charges that are flowing through, electrical charges that are flowing through here, and that actually causes a force on the magnetic field and makes the motor turn.
Do you have any notes of caution for this?
Yeah, that's a really good point, Oregon. So this thing, because we're using electrical energy, that gets converted into rotational energy, but also a lot of heat energy. And so what happens is this wire and then this magnet can get pretty hot. So be careful how long you do it.
Yeah. Awesome. So, is there anything else to try with this?
You know, I would say go ahead and try different things. You could try different nails. You could even try different magnets. You can even flip things around and connect it up and see what happens. And I'm going to leave that for you to try.
Awesome.